Hi friends, Bill here with an honest review of this really cool full face snorkel mask from Triboard. Now, a little background. It was a few years ago, my wife and I were on vacation, and swimming by us in this large pool was an older couple with what looked to be space age technology on their faces while we were using the old-fashioned mask over the eyes and nose and a snorkel that we had rented that had been in somebody else's mouth. When we saw this couple swim by with something like this, we were hooked, and ever since then, this has been my go-to every time I'm in my favorite lake in Michigan's Upper Peninsula because I do a lot of swimming. In fact, this mask itself has logged thousands, hundreds, dozens and dozens of miles of me swimming back and forth to a buoy that's about 150 yards out. So part of the beauty of this mask is in the simplicity. It comes in just two pieces. The snorkel itself attaches to the mask with a single click, and you're good to go. This silicone edging around the face mask makes it a nearly perfect fit for everybody, and then easy to adjust straps on the back side help it form tightly to the back of your head. So I have a little bit of a sound effect for you to hear. You hear that rattle? That's because in the snorkel there's a bit of a float that acts as a safety valve. If you happen to be swimming like this and tip a little too far forward so that water gets into the snorkel, that float slides down, stops all water from coming into the mask so you don't choke yourself on water. And when you come back up above the surface, you just give a good exhale. The water blows back up out of the snorkel, and you are able to proceed just as you were before, swimming without ever having to lift your face out of the water, to take another breath, to put anything in your mouth, because the full face mask allows you to breathe normally throughout your swim. It's fantastic, and as I said, I have dozens and dozens of miles logged swimming with this ever since the day we first saw that couple in Hawaii swim by with what looked to be alien face gear on. This is a game changer when it comes to your enjoyment of swimming, the full face mask from Triboard.